2025 just started, and there are new ways to make money that almost nobody knows. My name is Marco from MoneyMasters HQ, and today I'll show you 7 real ways to make money in 2025. Strategy number 1, digital products, ebooks, templates, guides, 90% profit margin, and you can sell forever. Businesses need automation, AI video editing, chatbot creation, prompt engineering, huge opportunity in 2025. You can create faceless content using AI and earn with ads, sponsors, and affiliate programs. ETFs are perfect for beginners. You invest once and compounding works for you. You sell the service, a freelancer does the work, and you keep the profit. Remote freelancing is booming. You can work from home, your phone, or anywhere. AI tools let you automate entire businesses, from YouTube channels to digital stores. If you want my full PDF guide with tutorials for all 7 strategies, comment 2025 and I'll send part 2.